Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a story on the Unfold application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the plus icon down below and click on create story. You should tap on the tab to add template button, and here select from the available templates that you can use. They are organized into distinct categories, so tap on the relevant one that is available to you. After that, add the picture by tapping in the middle of the screen and select the photo. Here you can see it. And if you tap on the plus icon, you can actually change the inserted filters, so you can add more pictures to it, and feel free to edit it by adding a text box, sticker, background, and so on to your story. So if you tap on this viewer mode down below, you are going to see how it is going to look like when you upload it as your story. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.